Here's how to convert to FLAC. So if you're trying to convert audio files to .FLAC, I use an app called ConvertSave that I actually created. And so it's an offline file converter for Mac and Windows. Check it out with the link in the description or the comment down below. Now, if you go to your files, you can just drag and drop them into ConvertSave. So I've got an MP3 here, a WAV file. I can select the output and select FLAC and then convert. It'll save those right next to where they came from. So we've got these different audio files up here that have been converted from MP3, from WAV to FLAC. So any audio to FLAC, this works for. And ConvertSave actually works for audio, video, and images. So video files, we can convert to FLAC as well. I'll go ahead and clear out these files that were in there, drag an MP4 file in, and then I can select the output, which we get a lot more because there's also video outputs, but we'll find FLAC in here. It basically will extract the audio, convert, and then save it right next to where that video came from. So that is ConvertSave. I was sick of uploading files, so this is an offline file converter for your desktop that you can just click and drag and convert hundreds of different file types. Hopefully you guys find that useful. Like I said, there's a link in the description, or just go to convertsave.com. We're still working on this. My brother and I created it. He's a software developer, and we're looking to add a lot more features. Hopefully you find it useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.